Third sign, yung hindi ka na ba nag-grow sa work mo, parang bored na bored ka na. Parang sabihin mo parang anto paulit-ulit na lang, parang pakiramdam mo stuck ka na, 'di ba? Alam mo, listen to this kapatid. Hindi ka pinanganak para magtrabaho ng walang purpose. 'Di ba? Ako, I always tell people, kung gusto mo tumagal sa isang bagay, find something that you love to do so that you don't have to work for another day in your life. Lahat ng mga matatagumpay na tao, yung talagang mahal na mahal ang ginagawa nila, even if they don't get paid, they're willing to do it for free. But it's a good thing, people are paying you. Parang Stephen Curry. Love lang niya mag-basketball, kahit di mo ba yan, magbabasketball yan. Diba? Si Manny Pacquiao, anong love naman niya? Manakit ng tao, diba? Imagine po, nananakit siya. Kumikita pa siya ng bilyon. Kaya nga, find your calling, find your purpose. And then once you found your calling and purpose, be the best at what you're doing. Kasi deserve mo lumago. Deserve mo masenso.